Adenotronic, it's logical, it's Adenotronic, atomic, polemic, systemic, adrenotronic.
The vessel hummed, a ghost in vacuum deep, approaching Sigma station, secrets to keep. Its course was set, a trajectory precise, when fury ripped the silence of the skies. A satellite shattered in a fiery scream, debris scattered, shattering the stream. Flames and shrapnel tore the clear way through, disturbing vectors, marking the path anew. Close the gap, the station stark and grim, a hostile silence waiting at the rim. Then from the planet's maw a threat arose, a missile launched where no shadow goes. The targeting lock, a signal sharp and cold, a story of war brutally retold. The ship recoiled, no pause to fear or doubt. It turned its focus, letting plasma out with searing might. The lamps began to burn, a blinding arc, a lesson to return. White gases billowed, obscuring all the sight, as counterfire met the missile's light. The launch point pinpointed, stark and undeniable, a promise of destruction, sharp and undeniable. Then through the haze, a single orb took hold, a ball of lambent flame, both fierce and bold. It struck the target with a sudden, violent grace. An explosion swallowed time and space. Fumes and heat erupted, a terrible sound as shadows spread across the ravaged ground. The vessel drifted, marking the fatal score, a dark expanding stain upon the atmosphere. As the ship docked beneath the wounded sun, the silent victory of war was finally won.